Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. In previous lecture we have checked a number is prime number or not. Today we will swap two integer value using third variable and without using third variable. Let us first understand this mechanism without using with using third variable. Here we have used t as a third variable and take x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, and here we have 5 in x and 10 in y. So first of all I will transfer the value of y in t. Then what is the value of t? The value of t will become 5. So this will be set up, and then what we will transfer the value of y into what x, then it will become 10, and after that I will transfer the value of t in y, so it will become 5. So initial value was of x was 5, then initial value of x become 10, and initial value of y was 10 and it become 5. So two number get swapped. Now we will see it in a coding. Let's code. Integer x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, and third variable temp. Here clear the screen. Now first of all I will transfer the value of x into temp. Here I do, and in y the value of x will copied, and at last in y we will, in x we will copy the value of what, sorry, here x and here y, and at last in y we will print the value of temp. So now print the value after swapping becomes %d and %d, comma x comma y. Here initially the value of x is 5 and y is 10, but after swapping it will become 10 and 5, that is 10 and 5. Now this was the program without using third variable. Now we will do it without using third variable, means we will eliminate this temp. So I am changing in code, just eliminate it here. Now x is equal to x plus y, and in next line x is equal to x minus y, and y is equal to x minus y. And let us understand. First of all, here the value of x and y is 5 and 10, so value of x become 15. So here the value of x is 15, value of x is equal to 15 in first line. Now in second line value of x will be what, x is equal to 15 minus 10, sorry, here I can write y and here x. Then value of y will become 15 minus y, that is 5, so value of y become 5, and in next line the value of x become, here the value of x is 15, and by this line value of I is 5, so value of x become x is equal to what, 10, and here value of y. So let's run the code, and here 10 and 5. Initial value was 5 and 10, and final value after swapping is 10 and 5. So guys, this is the tutorial for swapping of two integer with using third variable and without using third variable. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press like button. Thank you guys.